there, my poor baby. Izzy.
Dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust.
Looks like someone has already mapped out their climbing route in this strange new terrain.
Why are you still peeing? Magna!
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
What's happening?
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come. With those high notes on him, Mozart must be his lifelong inspiration.
Oh my god, dude!
Oh, it's still alive.
What is going on?
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Happy birthday to
Kill Milo.
a Lego Town event that's not open to...
Get down right now. You're gonna have a peaceful week? So good. Yes. Shalalabosha! So chunky.
Next one. Go then, take it in.
Oh my god, look! No, he's doing it!
He's copying her. Buddy, stop.
¡Ey! ¿Te estás chingando mi...?
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Oh, good. You got it.
This is pure comfort zone for a guy who's obsessed with cleanliness and loves being groomed.
She ain't moving. Aries, come on.
What are you doing?
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Dee da dee dee do do dee da dee dee do.
Really careful, not yet. Roger.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Mom!
¡Ey! ¿Te estás chingando mi...?
Oh, hello.
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's good.
Yeah! Hey. Hey.
She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on. Stop.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren, you sit there.
That's not good. Can you get down? Can you get down? Good job. You're very graceful. I brought.
Okay.
Oh!
Right now. I've not changed. You are. Your mood swung. The candle must turn. And now you know about me.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Bing.
just happened?
Tell me. It must be so rough being a poor doggy, huh? Yeah?
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Oh, it's a monkey o'clock.
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Hey human, where do you think you're touching? Look everyone, my servant's weird.
Hey!
Looks like someone is
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Why? Yeah, that's a stairs.
Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew you're fat ass.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
You know.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever. When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Just flew right above you, huh?
Beefing with my chick while I...
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
These furballs are fuzzy ultrasound machines since they can hear the baby's heartbeat.
This.
There, what's wrong with
Guess who's turning an easygoing dude's laziness into their own personal source of value and comfort?
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Something has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Oh no! Little buddy got stuck in an endless loop.
Gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah! Fuck you!
There you go. Oh my God, no!
Cause she looked.
For today. Hope these cats made you smile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more funny clips, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bailey.
This isn't just an ASMR milk drinking video from a tiny food blogger, indeed.
This.
Yeah, typical Monday.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Hey.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Only remembered he has unlimited energy.
Oh my God.
Can you hold the fucking light straight? I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Just a puppy having the time of his life.
Hey Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Meow. Mimi. Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
Oh, more! Looks like we played with a lot of toilet paper. Now I wonder, who could have done that?
You could have gone the other way. Come on. You're so funny.
Ah não.
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. The dog's like,
Happy one. You're what? Ryan.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Hello.
Chị tên là
No, giga. Oi, a mesma.
Irmã Magarra e amiga de galo.
Yeah.
lull me to sleep, Human. It makes me feel so safe.
I am too. I am.
Just put fresh litter in here.
Okay. Secret ear ability whenever someone says, good.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
What do you smell? What is that?
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
I love you. I love.
With huskies, peace and quiet does.
So cool.
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Hey. Hey.
Oh my goodness, I'm dizzy, human. Let me see if this water is any less terrible. Looks like someone has officially accepted their fate as an accidental foster dad.
Hello.
Ow! No! No!
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
No, 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 no. That's dangerous.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Okay. Oh no! No!
Guys, cat.
Sometimes it feels like cats need a babysitter.
So the touch lamp is working.